Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's so good to see you all again today. How are you doing, Lily?
I'm doing wonderful, Peter. I feel very happy and peaceful today. And you?
I'm great, too. I woke up with a big smile on my face. It's such a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The weather is so nice, the sun is shining, and everything feels bright and warm.
Exactly. And that is the perfect start for today's topic.
Yes, today we are talking about something very special, gratitude.
Gratitude. A simple word, but it has such a powerful meaning.
It really does. Before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And share this episode with your friends and family. Let's spread positive feelings together.
So, Peter, tell us, what does gratitude mean to you?
That's a good question. For me, gratitude means being thankful. It means recognizing the good things in my life, big or small.
I like that. Being thankful is such a warm feeling. So, what are you thankful for today, Peter?
Well, I am thankful for this beautiful morning. I'm also thankful for my coffee. It was delicious.
Yes. A good cup of coffee is a great reason to be grateful. I'm thankful for my breakfast. It was simple, but so good.
See? Gratitude can be about small things, everyday things.
Exactly. I am also grateful for my family. They support me, encourage me, and love me.
Yes, family is one of the biggest blessings in life. I'm very grateful for my family too, and also my friends. I have amazing friends.
Friends are like gifts we get to choose. I'm thankful for my friends as well. They make my life brighter.
What about something a little bigger?
Let me think. I am grateful for my home. My home is my safe place.
It's beautiful. I feel the same. Having a home is a huge blessing.
And health. I'm grateful for my health because when I feel good, I can do so many things.
Yes, health is everything. We can learn, move, smile, and enjoy life because of it.
Absolutely.
You know, Lily, sometimes I think about the biggest blessings in life, and I'm very, very grateful for life itself.
Wow, that's deep. But it's true. Life is a gift.
Yes, every day is a new opportunity to grow, to love, and to be better.
That is beautifully said.
I also feel grateful to God for giving me life and guiding me.
Faith is so important for many people.
Yes, I believe God gives us strength, love, and hope. And I'm grateful for Jesus because he gives salvation and peace.
That's very meaningful, Peter.
Thank you. Gratitude makes everything in life feel connected.
I agree. It helps you see the good in the world.
What about nature, Lily? Are you grateful for nature?
Oh, absolutely. I love nature. I'm grateful for trees. They are beautiful and give us fresh air.
And flowers.
Yes, flowers in so many colors. Red, yellow, white. They make everything brighter.
I'm grateful for animals too. I have a cat, and she always makes me laugh.
Pets bring so much joy. I have a dog named Max, and he is like sunshine in my house.
Pets are wonderful. We are so lucky to have them.
What about sounds? Is there a sound you are grateful for?
Yes, I'm grateful for the sound of laughter. It's such a warm sound.
Oh, yes. Laughter means happiness. I love hearing my loved ones laugh.
And what sound are you grateful for, Lily?
The sound of rain. It is calming.
Rain does have a peaceful feeling.
Yes. And the smell after rain? So fresh.
Wonderful. Gratitude is everywhere if we just look around.
Exactly. Even small moments can make us feel thankful.
That's why we should practice gratitude every day.
I agree.
One way is to say thank you more often to people around us.
Yes, a simple thank you can make someone's day better.
And another way is to think of 3 things you're grateful for every day.
I like that. Do you do that?
Yes, for example, today, I am grateful for the sunshine, my breakfast, and talking to you.
Oh, that's sweet. Today, I'm grateful for music, my warm blanket, and this conversation.
See? It's so simple, and it makes you smile.
Yes, gratitude changes your mood and your mindset.
Even bad days become easier when you find something good.
True. Even a warm cup of tea or a quiet moment can be something to appreciate.
I'm grateful for books. They take me to different worlds.
I'm grateful for music. It makes me feel alive.
Music, books, food, family. Gratitude fills our hearts.
Yes, it feels like a warm hug.
I love that. A warm hug for the heart.
And that's the power of gratitude.
So, Lily, what else do you feel grateful for today?
I am grateful for learning. I love learning new things. It makes my mind feel fresh and excited.
Yes, learning is a blessing. Every new thing we learn gives us new opportunities.
And I'm grateful for my teachers from the past. They helped me become who I am today.
Teachers really change lives. I'm grateful for mine too.
Speaking of that, I'm also grateful for our students and listeners on this channel.
Absolutely. Without them, we wouldn't be here. Their support means so much.
Yes, every comment, every like, every message, they all make us feel appreciated.
And we hope we make learning English easier and more enjoyable for them.
That's our goal.
Let's talk about daily moments of gratitude. For example, what small moment today made you smile?
This morning I had a cup of warm tea, and for a moment, everything felt calm and perfect.
That's wonderful. For me, it was the sunrise. The sky was pink and gold. It made me feel peaceful.
Nature gives us so many beautiful things.
Yes, even the wind, even the clouds, even a simple walk outside.
Sometimes we forget to appreciate those things because we are busy.
Exactly. Gratitude teaches us to slow down and enjoy the moment.
That's why I try to notice small things. A smile from a stranger, the smell of food, a comfortable chair.
All those things add joy to our lives.
You know, Peter, sometimes people think gratitude is only for good days.
Yes, but gratitude is even more important on bad days.
Right. When we have a difficult day, gratitude helps our heart stay strong.
Even if the only thing you can be grateful for is, I made it through today, that's still enough.
True. Gratitude doesn't have to be big. It just has to be honest.
Exactly.
Do you ever write a gratitude journal?
Yes, sometimes. Writing helps me remember the good things, especially when life gets stressful.
I write too. Even one sentence can change how I feel.
That's because gratitude opens the heart.
Yes, and it brings peace.
And joy, real joy.
What about you, Peter? What memory in your life are you most grateful for?
I think I'm most grateful for the day I met my best friend. That friendship changed my life.
That's beautiful.
And you?
I'm grateful for the day I started teaching. I was nervous, but it became one of the best experiences of my life.
Teaching is a gift.
It is. You give something, but you also receive so much.
Exactly.
Let's talk about food. What food are you most grateful for?
Oh, definitely my mom's home-cooked meals. They taste like love.
Oh, for me, I'm grateful for noodles. They comfort me.
Food really brings happiness.
Yes, and it brings people together.
You know, Lily, I think gratitude is like a habit.
Yes, the more we practice it, the easier it becomes.
And the happier we feel.
And the kinder we become.
Gratitude makes the world better.
Even one thankful heart can inspire others.
Before we end today's conversation, let's share one last thing we are grateful for.
Great idea.
I am grateful for this moment, right now, talking with you and with our listeners.
That's perfect. I am grateful for the chance to spread positivity and love through this channel.
Beautiful.
And to all our listeners, thank you. Truly.
Yes, thank you for spending your time with us.
Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like.
And comment below, what is one thing you are grateful for today?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.